Okay, so things are a little crazy in the world right now. Anyone else feeling it? If you're new here, my name's Jess and I help business owners save time and look good online. And today I want to help you stay visible, stay in front of those clients. I am a believer that we are still business owners. We still have ways to serve our audience. So I do think you can still market your business right now. Just because everything is closing and people are having to stay home and all that kind of stuff doesn't mean that you have to stop marketing your business. Now, if you want to pull back a little bit, that's one thing, but I think you still have something valuable to offer. And however you want to position your offers, your freebies, whatever you want to offer, that is up to you. But with all of that in mind, I wanted to share 5 just simple things you can do over the next few weeks to polish up your online presence, to stay visible in front of those following you online, and to keep moving the needle forward. The first thing I want you to do is post a testimonial from a recent client on social media. A lot of times we keep these testimonials for our sales pages and our websites, but we forget to share them on social media. So share them in your Instagram stories, on your Instagram feed, on your Facebook page, wherever you want, wherever you're most active. Be sure to share your testimonials. Then I want you to go to your website and double check your social media icons that are either in your footer or at the very top of your website. You would be surprised how many people have incorrect links. Maybe you've changed handles, maybe you have a typo. Who knows why it's not working, but double check those social media links so people can stay connected. Then I want you to go simplify your homepage. So a lot of times people have a really cluttered, overwhelming homepage because they treat it as like a catch-all. They think, oh, well, if people only come here to this one page, I want them to see everything that I have to offer, and that's not how we need to treat our homepage. I actually have a free on-demand workshop that you can watch. It's only about 20 minutes. I'll put the link below that will help you think through your website. The next thing I want you to do is email your list. So this is a great time to provide resources for your audience. You don't have to sell them anything. You could just send them an encouraging word. If you don't have any blogs to link, if you've kind of backed off of blogging or podcasting, just send them an email and say, hey, here are some things you could do in the meantime. Kind of like what I'm doing in this video. And if you don't have an email list and you've been putting it off, now is the time to start. And ConvertKit has a free plan. That's what I use to send my emails. I'll put a link to that down below so you can check it out. The next thing I want you to do is record a video for your sales page. A very quick video. Honestly, it needs to be like a minute, the most 2 minutes. The reason I recommend this is because research shows having a video on your sales page or services page increases conversions by up to 80%. 80%. So in that 1 minute, you don't want to be outlining, hey, this is what's in the modules, this is what we'll do on our calls. You want to be talking about why it's important and the results they're going to get. I've been sharing simple action steps every day in my Instagram stories, and you can even access the past ones that you may have missed. So hop over to my Instagram and follow me at Jess Creatives. If you have any questions about what I shared today, let me know in the comments. I would be happy to help you. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see y'all next time.